Why do so many people have GERD or gastroesophageal reflux disease? It is not because of the acidic environment in your stomach. To your question about how the stomach neutralizes acid, it actually doesn't neutralize acid that you put into it. It is an intrinsically acidic environment by design. It helps with digestion. And all of the cells lining your stomach are perfectly adapted to handle and thrive actually in that acidic environment. Cells that do not thrive in an acidic environment are those cells in your esophagus. So when the acidic fluid from your stomach creeps up into the esophagus, that's when the cells are like, no, we don't like this, and that's when you feel discomfort. Now, typically this doesn't happen because we have what is called a lower esophageal sphincter, and that is usually nice and tight, and it prevents the backflow of fluid from the stomach to the esophagus. But if that sphincter dilates and relaxes, like in the lower diagram here, then you can have the acidic contents from the stomach go up into the esophagus and cause all these kinds of problems. That's why the treatment for GERD is to avoid substances that tend to dilate this lower esophageal sphincter, like chocolate, caffeine, tobacco, mint. And then of course there are medications that you can take, but these generally work by lowering the acidity of the stomach contents, or in other words, rising their pH so that when it gets into the esophagus, it doesn't cause as many problems. The important thing to remember is that your stomach is by design very acidic. And so if you put something into it that is a little bit alkaline, which is the opposite of acidity, it's going to neutralize that pretty quickly. So you're not really going to get any benefit from alkaline water. Hope this helps.